So, hello guys, how are you all? Hope you are doing well. Now we will tell you how you can recover if the cable of our phone gets damaged. So we have this heat shrink, heat sleeve, and we should have a heater. If there is no heater, you can also use a lighter or something like a stove. So we have this electric heater, so we have set it up now. Look, the hot air is starting to come out of it, and we are doing it now. It heats up very easily and holds perfectly. You can see how nice it is becoming.
My hand started burning, so I placed it on the ground.
See how amazingly it has been packed. It becomes so hard that it won't bend there. It will keep the cut part intact and won't let it get damaged. And we had a large sleeve, so it didn't grip well, but still it turned out very well. It's better than before. So see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.